Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah Damia. My metric number is 1910500 and I will be presenting the poster for our final year project 1 presentation on the application which is called PROTIME, a student productivity application. My partner is Syafiq and our supervisor's name is Dr. Hazwani Binti Mohadis. To introduce our application, PROTIME is a designated web application that applies the concept of Pomodoro technique alongside a rewarding system to promote productivity. It applies persuasive design and gamification for students in higher education institutions to aid them in assessing the efficiency of their studies. So the two main concepts here, the persuasive design we will use to target the change of behavior of the user to become more productive by applying the certain features to help them, and also gamification, we will make the application more interesting by having the ability for the users to collect points and also claim the rewards and achieve and share the achievements from the challenges that they have completed. The problems that we want to highlight before developing the application is that first, students are lacking time management skills to become productive. And the second one is the existing applications offer their users limited rewards that can only be used within the system. So what we want to achieve, our objectives are to facilitate the higher education students doing tasks and increase their work efficiency. And secondly is to offer redeemable rewards such as digital coupons upon points collected. So the specialty of our application is that the users can redeem the digital coupons such as a food voucher that can be used outside of the application. Next, for the literature review, we have reviewed some of the most popular productivity applications such as Todoist, Notion, Forest, and Trello, and Pom Focus. So we found out that all of these applications have its pros and cons, and we want to make sure that PROTIME has all the features combined that may not be present in other applications. So for the development tools, we are using Visual Studio Code for the coding of the application. We will use GitHub for the collaboration of the project and also to store our codes, and Bootstrap is the framework that we will use to develop the application. For the methodology, we will be using the Agile methodology. For the diagram, I would like to highlight our use case diagram. We have the two main actors here, which are the user and admin. And for the user, they have various use cases, which are register account, view dashboard, add project, create timer, claim reward, and share achievement. Some of the use cases such as add project, it will extend to allow user to update the files inside the project and extend, and they can also add members into the same project or more known as workspace. And for create timer, they can also add tasks so that they can plan what tasks to do while using the timer. And for the admin, the use case is to add challenges, which will be the challenges that the user need to complete in order to gain more points. For the prototype, here we are showing the four main features in our application. More details will be explained in the high-fidelity prototype, but as shown here, we have the 4 pages. The first page here is the dashboard, which will show all of the features that the user can select to do their task. The second one here is the create timer page, where they can use the timer while doing the task. The third one is the project page, or the project that they can collaborate with other members of the group. Lastly is the rewards page, where they can claim any of the vouchers based on the points that they have. The rewards can only be redeemed once, and they can use it whenever they want to. That is it for the poster. We will proceed with the high-fidelity prototype presented by Brother Muhammad Syafiq. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Faizal. Today I will be giving a demo on how the PROTIME application works. So first of all, when the user opens this web application, they will be redirected to this landing page, which has basically the navigation bar with the PROTIME logo, the home, about, and sign in. It also has the get started button for them to sign up, and also an introduction about how this application works for them to set tasks, schedule timer, and rewards. And basically, they can just click the get started button for them to sign up. If they already have an account, they can just sign in. For example, if they want to firstly click the about page, they can see the story of the company, how it started, of PROTIME, and also the team. So if they want to, if a new user wants to sign up, they can just click get started. They would have to sign up using their display name for them to display at the dashboard, username, email, password. So they can just click sign up. If they already have an account, they can just click I already have an account, and they can just sign in. If they click I forgot my password, they would have to reset their password using their email. So for example, a new user. I am a new user and I want to sign up. I can just fill in all of the credentials, and the application will bring the user to the dashboard. The dashboard consists of 4 main sections, which are timer, project, challenges, and rewards. So first of all, if the user wants to be productive, so they firstly click timer, and they click add task for them to add a task that they want to complete, like their assignments and project. So they can just click and insert their task for them, and then they can just click the start button. When the start button is clicked, the timer will run, and then after the 25 minutes, it will automatically say it is stopped and it is time for break. And you can just click got it. So for every 4 cycles, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, that's 1 cycle. For every 4 cycles completed, they deserve a longer break for 15 minutes. So that is for the timer. For the project section, they can just click project, and they can click add for them to create a project with the project name and also project description. As a project. So inside the project, they can also click the project and also add the necessary files for them to collaborate with their group members. Like for example, if they want to create, add another file, they can just click, choose any file they want and insert it inside the project section. This says that Faizal has been uploaded. So when they want to collaborate with the new members in the project, they can just click add members button, and they can either add their members using an invite link, using an email, or using a password. Using a username. Moving on to the next section is the challenges section. This section lists out all of the challenges that the user can do and can carry out in order for them to obtain the points, to collect the points for them to redeem the rewards. It has challenges, the available challenges, and also the completed challenges. If they have completed the challenge, for example, like they have completed 1 cycle of 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break, 25 minutes of work again, 1 cycle, complete 1 cycle, they can get 1 point. So when this is completed, the system will automatically detects that the user has completed that cycle. So this will be in the completed section. When they observe this is completed, they can just share the achievement. It shows a pop-up for them to share the achievement through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn, any social media that they want. So that is for challenges. When they have collected their points, they can earn rewards. Rewards are in the form of food voucher, shopping voucher, and also movie tickets. Like these are the requirements for the points. For example, if they want to claim shopping voucher, they have to claim and click claim. Food voucher, click claim. We will direct to the voucher, and they can click claim button. the reward has been claimed. So it depends on how many points accumulated by the user. And for the profile, the user can also observe how many points that they have, what level are they currently at, and also it has this feature of to see the ranking. So it is like a user leaderboard between the community, inside the community, between their friends. They can see how which of their friends have the most points, and they will be given the number 1, 2, and 3 based on their points. The user can also see their reports. So this reports, like for example, it includes the amount of hours of focus that the user have already done, the number of days that they have accessed this application, and also the streak of doing the task. For example, if they do continuously, and it will be automatically detected by the system. And this displays the graph of report, how many hours of work done. User can also open the settings for them to adjust whether the timer features, and also within their accounts. For the timer, they can adjust the settings of the 25 minutes, short break, and also long break. And they can also edit the username and password. So when the user is done with their progress, they can just log out and it will direct to the landing page again. So that concludes the PROTIME application demo. Thank you.